Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today. So today guys, basically um what I've been doing today is basically just show you guys what have been doing and what have been going on. I haven't been posting from the other day, and the reason why, some of the times when I am basically like doing something like posting on my channel, I'm not really like zooming in and I'm bringing across my content. So I take a step back to just view how I'm bringing across my content. And also I've been testing out a um a trading platform that I've been using, so I'm gonna share that with you guys. So yes guys, so basically if you're new to my channel, what I do here is basically show you guys how I personally earn online by get paid to size money making apps, and investing and earning yields and all of that. This is just what I do, and I'm sharing it with you. And the reason why I'm doing this guys is just that maybe it could help someone. This is really not financial advice, but just to show someone that you can earn money from just your cell phone. Once you have your cell phone and have your internet connection, you can earn something. You don't have to like go out there and like earn work in a job you don't like, or just be doing something you don't really like. You, even if you're doing something working outside, you can also make a little extra line on the side while you're doing whatever you're doing. So that's why I'm sharing it to you guys, and just to see my actual journey from where I'm coming from also. And to tell you the truth guys, it's really fascinating me to see that you're able to just earn online by just your phone or your computer. Like it, it is possible, so why not go share it with you guys, or I do it basically. And that's basically what I am doing. So I've been thinking about the way I'm bringing across my content, and I think there are some things that I want to change or I'm doing. So basically, what I'm gonna do to bring across the content more clearly and more simplified for you guys is just by showing you guys how I do it step by step. So basically, I don't really want to make the videos too long. So if I'm doing the video too long, you guys can comment down below and then let me know if it's too long, or um if it's okay, or you guys have been um liking the content or so on. So guys, this is not financial advice. Take this as entertainment or just a update and basically what I'm doing. So yes guys, and I'm if I'm able to help someone out there, that would be really awesome. I'll That would be really great. So yes guys, so basically what I'm gonna start off with, if I myself is just getting started. So if I myself just getting started, basically what I want to start, all I want to start is with the mindset. So you have to have the mindset, guys, that this can happen. You can have your cell phone, you can have an internet connection, and you can make money online, and you can um um grow that money, and you can improve on that money, and you can build that money. You have to have the mindset that yes, it is possible and it can work for me, and it can work in my favor, and I can do it. So once you have that mindset, next thing you want to do is just start with money making apps. So basically what I've done, I've gone online and just search for money making apps for you guys. Basically I already have those apps, and I'm gonna share them with you. So yes guys, so um some of the ones that I'm earning passively with is like the Pause app, the Sweatcoin, the Winwalk, the Honeygain, and the Peer to Profit. Those are the ones that earning passively. And guys, the thing with these money making apps that I have that earn passively is that not when I said I am earning and these money making apps and I'm earning passively, that doesn't mean that this money app just be earning me money passively. You have to have the right expectation. So because I have so many apps on my phone, what happened is that sometimes my phone run hot, so it starts to overeat, and when that happens, my phone sometimes shuts off or sometimes closes the app that are using the most energy. So sometimes I will be like sleeping and I'm thinking in my mind, oh, I'm earning all day. I'm not earning all day because the app literally stopped, and I just didn't earn nothing from basically the next 8 hours. I didn't earn anything, or maybe 6 hours. So that is the expectation, that these money apps don't just um run all the time. They do stop out, or they do have upgrade where they just st- um will be just stop working, or they normally work for some time. And sometimes the money making apps, what they also do is just change the way or they let you earn. So sometimes they let you earn very heavily, and sometimes they let you earn very lightly. Um, that's just how they are. Maybe too much people are on the platform, so they cut the earnings, or maybe less people are earning on the platform, so they push up the earnings. That's just how it is. You have to have that mindset. It's not like a continuous way or you'll be earning. Some money making apps just stop paying out, and some money making apps just start paying out a particular cash out method. So just to have all these in consideration, the mindset that these things too can happen. So yeah, the next thing you want to do is just start downloading the active one, the one that personally that you're gonna use, and those are gonna earn you money. For some of them that I've been using actively is basically the free cash, the Cointiply, the Lootup, the the reward one, so the idle empire, so the rewardy. So those are the one that I'm earning passively. I just show you the one that I'm earning actively. And some of the one that I'm earning passively is like Winwalk and Sweatcoin. I mentioned those to you already. And the other ones that basically that I'm using to earn by just doing surveys, because I also do survey as well, is basically QMe, PayPal, Leo, um Zap Survey, Tippy. So all of these EasyBucks, um, I say survey. So all of these basically I do earn with them as well. And these apps just the apps that basically just help me to earn by just doing surveys. Now you have the one that basically helps me for just shopping. So we have the drop and we have the play. So that is also, then we also have the ones that I use um just by investing. So Kindbase, Kindless, iDollar, next to Payer. I use the Sweatcoin, Well Simple Trade, and I have a ton more on my other phones. So basically, I have two phones. I have the phone that basically helps me to earn, and then I have the phone that earn by money making apps, and then I have the phone that help me to earn just by investing. So yes, guys, and the reason why I did that is because I for some of these money making apps, you're not able to protect your phone. Yes, because they don't want a VPN to the VPN, because the VPN sometimes block the app from earning successfully. So this phone that I'm using right now, it doesn't have any VPN because I want to some of the apps don't allow you to have it, so you can earn on the app. Then my investment, I have the VPN, so I'm protecting my information and stuff like that. So that's the next thing. Make sure that you know exactly what you're doing. Some apps for investment require a VPN, so you need to have it. But some of the money making sites and money making apps, they don't want VPN. So that's the reason why I have to have a two phone. So yes, guys. So that's the next thing. Then after that, you just wanna start with the earning, and then again, it's all come down to now your expectation of you taking out your money, and also um the reward. So what are you earning for? Are you earning just to spend? Are you earning just to buy something, or are you earning to earn and build and build and build? For me personally, my mindset was to earn and build. So the kind of cash out that I do take out, very rarely I will take out gift cards, but what I take out mostly is PayPal money and cryptocurrency. And the reason why I take out cryptocurrency, because with the cryptocurrency I am able to scale on what I've take out. So let's say I take out $1 of cryptocurrency, I can scale it to $1.25 or $1.50. So I'm making a profit right there, and that profit I will not trade it and earn on it, and then I will just trade it and earn on it and continue to build. So that's just the whole process. And guys, the next thing is that because these are money making apps, they don't earn a lot, so you have to have the next expectation and the right mindset that you won't be earning a lot. You have to have the mindset that little, every little make a muckle. That's what basically our parents used to tell us when we were in Jamaica, like every make a muckle, like one quarter full basket. So what that does mean that in order to get $1, you have to start with a cent. You can't just say $1. No, you have to say 1 cent, 2 cents, and um then eventually you will reach to 3 cent. You reach to 100 cents rather, and then that will equal to $1. Same thing. If you want $100 first, you have to say $1. Eventually, you're gonna reach to $100. It's the same thing. You want $1,000, you have to say $100. So you have to start from somewhere. So, um, with cryptocurrency can even go down to the penny. So with the cryptocurrency, you are starting from penny. So you're starting from nothing. And I'm not saying that you're basically starting from penny. I'm just like saying that even because money making apps don't allow you to cash out penny, but if you have that mindset that you want to cash out um like a cent, or you want to cash out basically 10 cents, because um this platform that I use, I'm gonna share with you guys, it's called Earnable. And basically how it works, I listen to music and I'm able to earn. And at the time of speaking to you right now, guys, I can take out some earnings, but the earnings that I'm gonna take out is basically, okay, let me go into the reward section. So it's called earnable. Before it's used to call current, and now it's called earnable. Um mood earn rather, it's called mood earn. And if I go to the cash out section, you guys see that I'm able to take out 10 cents of PayPal money. But when I was earning, guys, I was earning penny to get to the 10 cents, if you understand what I mean. So in if you're gonna earn $1, right? If you're gonna cash out $1, you have to be earning cents in order to get the dollar. So that's basically what I mean. The lower your cash out value is, the less you're gonna be making. So that's just what I'm saying. And you have to have that mindset that okay, in this day and era, um, is earning a penny is earning a penny even worth it? And guys, when you see that cash out like cash out. The moment you can go ahead and cash out, you're gonna think, okay, if I can cash out a 10 cents, then I can cash out a 50 cents, then I can cash out $1, then I can cash out a $2 and a $10. So that's basically all it is. The mindset, it's all in the mindset. So yes guys, then you want to focus on what is actually paying you. So as you guys can see, I have a lot of apps on my phone, but not all of them pay the same, not all of them pay the same, meaning you have to take in considerate the time, take in considerate how often or you're able to get your money fast enough. So let's say um for this app that I basically have right here, so they are Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash giveaway and Litecoin giveaway. So they pay every week automatically, and all I have to do is every hour or whenever I am able in an hour time or more, I can go ahead and click a button and restart the server, and basically I've just been earning. If I reach my minimum amount or more, then they would basically pay me out every week automatically. Now, for this these apps that I have, Blink Financial, they pay me out every week too. But this is just not pressing a button. This is actually going in and playing a game and earning. And if I reach my minimum, they will I will have to go back into app and cash out my earn money. This is not automatically, this is basically active. I have to do this active. So there are different money making apps that um pay you different ways. So you just have to keep that into consideration. And then you have like the free cash that basically pay you instant. Once you go ahead and click that button, you're getting that money in the next 5 seconds in your account. So these are just the things to consider it. So because of this, I pay more attention in these apps because I'm getting the money faster and more efficient with these money making apps. So just as I want to share with you, for some like Winwalk and Sweatcoin, they're taking time. So that's just how it is. So yes guys. So basically guys, these are the things that I really want to share with you about earning online. So what I do in my other videos guys, what I'll be doing for you, I'll be showing you guys step by step, literally um how I what the basically just how I do it step by step. And I will, when I explain it to you guys, maybe you will understand and you'll get my explanation of how I do it. So the next app that I'll be sharing with you is called Sweatcoin. So I'm gonna show you guys all the apps that I have to download and everything that I have to have just in order to earn successfully on Sweatcoin, and also what is my expectation and everything on it. So stay tuned to my other videos. So yes guys, so guys, remember, before I go, I always want to say thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing. And also guys, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. All the links that I talk about will be in the description down below. And also guys, always, before I go, I just want to say, always remember, guys, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.